Hey you guys, it's affiliate.watch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a $9,000 commission by referring a medium-sized company to Notion. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's a platform to find the best affiliate programs and niches for free. And we're going to be going over Notion's affiliate program, some of their core features, and I'm going to show you how you can sign up and start making a lot of money with the affiliate program. The affiliate program pays 50% commission for 1 year. The minimum payout is $5. It's on the Partner Stack Affiliate Network, which I'll show you how to sign up to. And the cookie length is 90 days. The company launched in 2016, and they already have a similar web rank of 166. So they've quickly become one of the biggest websites in the entire world. And on Partner Stack, you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, or wire transfer. And this is their homepage right here. Turn ideas into action with Notion's AI-powered workspace. And I'll go over some of their core features. They have so many features, I can't cover them all in this video. And so one of their main features is AI, so you can ask Notion anything and it will answer. You can also create beautiful and simple and powerful documents. You can create wikis, you can create and manage projects, and you can also organize your calendar better. And millions of companies are using Notion every single day. You can consolidate all your tools and cut your costs because Notion has so many features, you don't need so many tools. And you can also visualize, filter, and sort data in any way you want. For example, they have a board filter, table filter, timeline filter, calendar filter, gallery filter, and list filter. You can customize the info you track. You can build any type of page because Notion has so many different ways to build content. You can drag images, videos, have to-do lists, even embedded databases, and much more. And it's perfect for engineering teams, design teams, product teams, marketing teams, operations, HR teams, and basically anybody out there who wants to improve their workspace, make more money, and improve their productivity. They also have some big communities. They have over 1 million community members, 150 community groups, and they have communities in many different languages. And there's endless ways to use Notion. You can have a company wiki, a product roadmap, meeting notes, a vacation planner, editorial calendar, habit tracker, and you can also get started for free with their free plan. And it integrates with many popular services out there, which is really awesome. And you can also download it on your desktop. They have a web version, but if you prefer to download it on your desktop, you can. They have a Mac OS app as well as a Windows app, and they also have an Apple app as well as a Google Play Store app. And you can manage your work across all your devices, and it will sync across all your devices. And they also have many different templates you can use: work templates, school templates, personal templates, project templates, and much more. You can see their templates right here, so you don't have to start from scratch. You can find a template that will work good for you and your business and whatever you're doing. And this is their affiliate program right here. I have a link down below. It goes over the commission structure, which is 50% for 12 months. I already went over that with you. All you need to do is click the link down below, click apply now if you haven't signed up with Partner Stack yet, or click log into Partner Stack, and then apply to the Notion affiliate program. And let me just show you how insane these affiliate commissions can get with a calculator, you guys. So right here, because many big companies are using Notion. So let's say it's a medium-sized business, okay? They have 100 employees who need to use Notion, and they're gonna do the yearly plan. It's $15 per seat per month. So if we do the math right here, 15 times 100, okay, and then we do 12 months, that means Notion makes $18,000 and you make half of that. So you can make a $9,000 commission just by referring a company to the business plan that does a yearly plan that has 100 employees. So the sky is the limit on this affiliate program, and there's no limits on how much money you can make. There's affiliates out there making massive amounts of money with the Notion affiliate program because it's one of the best affiliate products out there and one of the best companies out there. So I highly recommend you guys join this affiliate program. I will leave the link down below. If you want to find more affiliate programs, make sure to check out affiliate.watch. and also make sure to sign up so you can promote yourself to brands on our website for free. And I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.